Estimation of the exponential distribution by method of moments. So how do we estimate lambda by method of moments? The solution for the method of moments, they recall that the population mean will be equal to the sample mean. We have that the population mean is equal to the expected value of x, which is equal to, for the exponential distribution, is 1 all over lambda. Also, the sample mean, which is 1 all over n summation xi, I ranging from 1 to n, is also x bar. Combining two of them together, which is the solution, that is this. We have 1 all over lambda to be equal to the sample mean. It means that if this is our estimate, lambda estimate, it will be equal to 1 all over the sample mean. So this is the solution for the exponential distribution by method of moments.